This is a Toyota Harrier hybrid, and we have the latest immobilizer and anti-hijack system installed. Let me show you. First, we're gonna explain about immobilizer system. When you get into the vehicle, you can start the vehicle as per normal. However, with the immobilizer system, if you do not enter a pin code correctly, and if you just hit on the engage the gear, the engine will be immobilized. This is an immobilizer system. How do we disarm the immobilizer system? Is to use the original buttons. For example, you can key in the code here, like this is a code, or a few other combination from this area. So let me just enter the right code. And now, after entering the code, I will be able to start the vehicle, engage the gear, and drive the car as normal. This is an immobilizer system, immobilizer feature. There's another feature, we call it the anti-hijack. So how does the anti-hijack system work? Whenever someone drag me out of the vehicle and then get control of the vehicle, they will start to drive the vehicle away. Let me show you how it works. I will drive. After 300 meters of driving, the vehicle, if you do not enter the pin code correctly, your vehicle will be immobilized. That is an anti-hijack system. All this is done without splicing any wire and connecting to only the CAN bus system, which is a total of 4 wires. So pay attention to the dashboard as I drive. I will need to drive for a distance of 300 meters to allow safety of the driver. So the driver will be 300 meters away from the car hijackers. So as I drive, please pay attention to the dashboard. From here, you can see you will get a warning soon on the double signal asking you to enter the pin code. There you go. Your double signal has been triggered, telling you that the system is gonna be immobilized. So I want to show you. If you still do not enter the pin code right now, your horn will sound. Your original horn will sound. And this will continue until you enter the pin code correctly. So if I just continue driving without entering the pin code, it will just go on. So right now, I realize something is wrong. I stop the car. And when my vehicle speed is below 10, you can see that the engine is now immobilized. And if I get panicked and I'm trying to start the vehicle, I can't start the vehicle at all. So my car has been immobilized at the distance of 300 meters away. How do I get access to start the vehicle and drive away normally? All I have to do is to just enter the pin code correctly, like what I mentioned. It's either a combination here or a combination here. So right now I'll enter the pin code and I'm gonna start the car. There you go. I've now disarmed the system and I can now drive the car away. This is the latest solution for majority of the Europe vehicles and Japanese vehicles, Korean vehicles with CAN bus system.